Is winter dispersed till the calendar ends? Through windows unlatched, spring befriends. The bore of snowdrops and trees penned in sepia last season, now rendered. The chain released, and the lock descends. The alarm trends, and starlight ascends. The slumber party ending, turns daylight dreaming. Ears retune, and life's retuning, on washing lines spilling. Crumbs thrown, the cake tin refilling. Romance recites, in gardens singing. The black and white still turn lullaby, in a patchwork of pastels untie. Crocus and daffodils and cherry blossom high, brimstone butterfly and the wild roses untie. With a warming embrace, march, befriends.